Just a quick bonus video with a bonus feature at the end. And Sir Awesome J here. And I found this in this house. I'm gonna open it up here. There it is. That's the alarm. Looks like it's from fireX. It says right there. Here's the alarm with the battery. Let's go ahead and close it up. Might scream at me for a sec. Okay, maybe not. But the backup battery's in. We can just turn it around. We can push the test button and here we go. I have no idea what this is going to sound like. I'm used to the alarms like that one. So here we go. What the? Oh, there it goes. What? That is loud. Ooh. This must be an old one. Hasn't been used in a while. But now anyways, this is what the smoke alarm sounds like. If we look in the box here, hang on. Set the camera down. Got the back plate, which should go on that side. Oh, and there goes the battery. I wonder where the screw is. But it sits on the back plate, just like that. It's pretty small. This probably fits on here somewhere. Somehow. Now, for the bonus feature. You got this smoke alarm. Now we're gonna push both of their buttons. See which one will be louder. If it's gonna be this one or this one. I obviously think this one's gonna be louder. But let's see. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's gonna be loud. I can't tell exactly. I think it's this one. That's gonna, there we go. I think this one's louder. Yeah, this one's obviously louder. So anyways, that was the bonus feature at the end. There's my piano. And that was crazy loud. Crazy loud. Anyways, please make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content or live streams. Bye!